Okay, let's start the session. Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Karlekar. Today, we have gathered here to have our summer camp training course. We are starting our guitar training class. Along with me, I have Mukesh. Mukesh has a number of years of experience as a vocalist as well as playing guitar, and he has sung many songs as well as trained a lot of people of different ages, teaching them guitar. Let me give you a brief. What you see on a screen is what our summer camps are. What you see on a screen, these are the different courses we offer. The reason being because of the pandemic, everything is closed. And in the summer break, the kids need some activity. So we have a few dozen courses, which is a good mix of computer-enabled courses, music-enabled courses, health and fitness enabled courses, and otherwise games enabled courses like chess and all. So this gives an opportunity. Virtually, we can engage with as many children as we can and give them a training which will help them towards shaping their intelligence. Kids, today's generation kids, that is the future generation, we are able to help them in terms of creating more competitiveness and giving them more edge to what they are doing so that they can stand out from the crowd. Okay, so that's the whole intent. And while doing so, there is a focus on being price comparative. So because we are doing this using our global sourcing model, we are able to do it at a much cheaper price. So for today's session, as I said, we are starting with the guitar session. And what you see here on a screen is what the course is going to look like. I request you and I suggest you, if you want to know more about this course, you can log on to guruschools.net, go to the summer camp tab, and from summer camp tab, you can look at guitar as the sub tab. This is the syllabus. Loosely speaking, this is what we'll try to cover as much as we can. That is for 1 month, second month, and for the third month. Now, what you see here is also summarized on the left-hand side on the flyer. Okay, so we are excited teaching you what you see here. We have two trainers, but for this session, we're gonna have one trainer. Mukesh, the guy with the glasses, is the trainer. And that's a brief about him, which you can read in your free time. He has done some compositions, and then, you know, if you were to see our YouTube page, you will come to know some of the songs which Mukesh have sung. We are excited to have both of you, and we will start the session in few minutes. I suggest you please be quiet when we are talking or when the trainer is teaching you, because it's important that the rhythm is not broken. So whenever I'm talking, whenever Mukesh is talking, please be patient. Please listen to us. If you have a doubt or if you have a question, you know, you can always raise your hand, or once we are done talking, you can always ask the question. Okay. Prish, Manoj, we are excited to have you, both of you. Now the formal session will start. I want to welcome our trainer, Mukesh. And Mukesh, this is all yours now. Thank you, sir. You
Thank
can
you
start.
so much. Thank you so much, Dev sir, for introducing this course so nicely. So, Manoj and Pratik, uh, this is our first session, and I would
Not
just like to
Pratik,
give you. Yeah, Pratik, you want to say something?
not Pratik, Presh.
Okay, Prish, you want to say something?
I want to say,
Okay,
when you
please
are
switch on your camera, please.
then when you share the screen, there is a video, and I have seen and and I have seen there was a video down there, and I want to see that video.
You can do it later on, Prish, not now. You can always ask your
I
mother
do it.
to guide you.
Okay. Krish, can you
Okay,
please switch on your video? Yeah.
okay, I will switch on because my mom has said switch off.
Okay. So you guys need to like mute yourself for a while, and I'll be demonstrating all the things related to guitar and music to you for. Let me tell you about myself, Manoj and Trish. As sir already told you, my name is Mukesh. Okay, I am a singer guitarist. Okay, singing is something that a instrument, yeah, where like we use our vocal cords to sing any song, and here we have guitar, and we used to play songs with this instrument. With this guitar, we can do lot of things. Manoj, Trish, see, it's a chord. I have holded a guitar right now. I have holded a D major chord. And what I'm doing, I'm gonna strum. I'm just moving the camera below. See. That's called palm muting technique. Okay. First was the normal strumming, 4/4 time signature strumming. That many songs have that strumming. For example, if you have heard this song, uh, this is a 3/4 strumming pattern. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. It's a 3/4 strumming pattern. It's a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Similarly, there is 4/4 strumming pattern. If you heard this song, सुन मेरे हम सफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी भी खबर. It's a Bollywood song. Or you must have heard this song. शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए. So these are the strumming patterns that we use to perform. Okay. What else we can do? We can do finger picking with the guitar. Manoj, can you see? That's called finger picking. Okay. So you do different stuffs with the finger, and finally you can play your favorite and popular tunes on the guitar like this. Have you heard this song, Manoj? You like this song?
Yeah, it's believer.
Yeah, that's Believer, Imagine Dragons album song. So, Trish, I will let. It's a nice song. It's like a band called Imagine Dragon. That song, and the notation goes like this, Manoj. Sa pa ma ma ga ma pa ma ga sa ni sa pa ma ga ma pa ma ga sa ni sa ga sa pa ma ga sa ni sa ga sa ni sa 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 ga 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 ri 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 sa 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 ga 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 ri 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 sa sa ga ga ri sa ga ga ri sa sa ga ga ri ni. What I'm trying to tell you both, listen carefully. Singing, guitar playing, keyboard playing, any instrument, sarangi or violin, how people play these instruments with the help of notes. With the help of, come on, say it loud and clear. With the help of notes. And what are the notes? In Hindi, we call it sur. We call it sur, and in English, we call it notes. You must have heard this in your schools probably. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You must have heard somewhere around you, your cousin, sister, friends must be like humming these, or you must have heard this. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Right? So, there are the next important thing. Prish, be attentive, please. There are 12 notes in music. How many notes are there? How many notes are there in music? 12 notes, okay? Absolutely right. And these 12 notes help you to sing, to play any instrument. Whatever you like, whatever you hear, you can play on your instrument or you can sing also. Now I would like you to hold your guitars. Okay, I will show you how to hold the guitar, how to hold your plectrum. There are some techniques that you have
Teacher,
to. Yeah,
teacher,
yeah, please.
I know, I know how to hold the guitar. A down part should be this side and up, and means
You are right-handed or left-handed, Krish?
like this.
Beta, you are right-handed, right? You write with your right hand, right?
Right hand and left hand.
Right hand.
Yeah, so please turn the guitar, turn around the guitar and yeah, move that side. Yeah, you also, Manoj, you are also right-handed. Yeah,
I right
your
handed.
your left hand should be coming to this part. Left hand should be coming to this part.
Yeah.
This
Yes.
is your right hand, Manoj, right?
Yes.
Show me your left hand, Manoj.
So
Very good. This is your left hand. So this portion that's called fretboard. What we call this a fretboard. You have to hold this fretboard with your left hand. Getting my point, Manoj? Come on. Turn your guitar.
but
Keep it on that
we
side.
have to hold a small part upside and big part downside.
Yeah,
Like
that's fine, Krish. You have holded guitar very right. Now please sit down. Good. Okay, you got a classical guitar, no, Manoj?
this was my sister's guitar. I
Okay.
don't exactly know if it's classical.
Yeah, it's a classical guitar. Yeah, you wanted to ask something? Please say.
Nothing. So I'm right-handed. So shouldn't I be holding it like this instead of this?
Okay. Can you please try this way? Because for that, no, we have to change the guitar's strings and everything. No, no, not like this. In that manner only. Your left hand will be holding the fretboard. This is fretboard, okay? Come on. Very good,
Like
Manoj.
this?
Yeah, like this. Now, can you please, Manoj, you have to adjust your camera like I have done this, okay? You can see my face also and you can see the entire fretboard also, right? I want to see both of yours guitars entire fretboard. This is the first class, so will take some time to adjust. And this chair, you won't be able to make it properly, Manoj. No, you have to get a without handle chair, yeah, or you can sit on your bed also. That's fine. Prish, can you please bring your camera little down because I'm not able to see your guitar fretboard or half part of the guitar also I'm not able to see. Manoj, you have to adjust a little more because left portion of the guitar is not visible to me. This is the first class, so don't worry. You will, because what I will tell you, yeah, that's perfect. But see how you are sitting. You won't be able to sit like this for like. You have to sit, cross your legs. Yeah, cross your legs.
Like
Amazing.
this.
Yeah,
Like
that's fine. Um, no, no, Prish. That's not right, beta. Sit properly. Legs down. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Manoj, I'm not able to see your entire fretboard, right? See, I'm able to see only that much. Please.
uh, teacher,
Yes,
teacher,
please.
uh, we are in Gujarati. That's why you have said cross your legs. That's why I don't understand. Because we are in Gujarati.
पालकी मार के बैठो बेटा.
And
हाँ,
in Gujarati, it's called Palathi.
पलाटी. Okay, fine. अच्छा. Uh, Manoj, बेटा, you are not sitting comfortably, right? आपकी आपका जो बैक है वो पूरा बैंड होकर आप बैठे हुए हो. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द थिंग्स. लेट्स मेक इट वेरी स्लो, बट अरेंज योर सेल्फ, सिट प्रॉपरली, मेक योर सेल्फ कंफर्टेबल. ओके, दैट्स फाइन. ओके, ओके, नाउ बोथ ऑफ यू लिसन टू मी. Both of you listen to me. See, I have holded my guitar in a manner. See, these are my hands, and I'm not touching my guitar. I have only holded my guitar with my muscles. Although I don't have any, I know, but yeah, you do have some, right? So hold your guitar with your muscles here, and your hands will be free like this. Okay, first thing, it's gonna take little time. If you're not able to do, just follow my instructions. Prish, fine. Okay, now see my hand. Okay, when we shake hand with anybody, like we do like this, right? Do like this, both of you. Your right hand, your right hand. Yeah, fine, great. Abhi, move your first finger like this, index finger like this. Keep your plectrums white portion, plectrums white portion on the first string, and then hold it tightly with your thumb, and you will see like this. Your pointy end will come out like this. Prish, you don't have plectrum, right? So you just listen to me, and when your mama papa get you pick or plectrum, you will do this. Okay? Okay. I'm doing it again. Manoj, can you you got your pick? Fine. Again I'm telling you, hand like this, first finger bend, first finger bend.
I want
Very
to
good.
see
Keep
something.
keep the wide portion on the first finger, and then hold it with your thumb. Fine? Good. So this will look like this. Show me, see my hand properly if you have any confusions. This is very comfortable. Okay, you can move your fingers like this. Very good. Now we'll do our first exercise. This is the right hand exercise where you have to uh, plug all the strings. One more thing, Manoj and Prish, your guitar fretboard should not be going like this. Should not be going like this. It should be straight and little bit tilted towards the upside. Little. The first exercise I'm gonna tell you, this is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, from the sixth string. This is the sixth string. Manoj, Prish, the topmost string is the sixth string, and the bottommost string is the first string. Okay, you will start from the sixth string, and on every single string you will do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Come on, you try, Manoj. Now come up,
Like that.
down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Prish, you please observe. As you don't have pick, you won't be able to do this exercise. But please be observant. You don't have any pick, no? Yeah. So just listen it carefully, okay? Yeah, Manoj, please you do.
I want to tell something. Yeah, I put the guitar and do
What
and
you want to do?
I put the guitar and I sing the song because I don't have that.
Beta, we are doing some exercises right now. So you please hold down. Once we'll finish the exercises and then I will let you sing. Okay? Yeah. Do this exercise again, Manoj. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then come up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Try this again.
Okay.
That's fine. Manoj, now please listen to me. You have to keep your tiny finger on the guitar's body. Here, like this. Tiny finger on the guitar's body, and then you have to move your entire hand palm like this, but you won't be moving your tiny finger. You can slide down or up, but you won't be moving the tiny finger. Okay, that's how you will able to judge the distance between the strings. That's really very important, right? Because without seeing, you have to do many exercises like this. Okay, come on, you try please. Now do the second exercise, which is down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Come on every string, down, up, down. Very good, Manoj. Now do the third exercise, which is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up on all the strings. Come on.
Okay.
Manoj and Prish, just repeat after me. Ekagra, 8, dynamite. Say loud and clear. Ekagra, say
Ikagra,
8, dynamite.
dynamite,
Goodbye Ekagra.
goodbye Ikagra.
Okay, if someone ate dynamite or any cracker, so what will happen? We have to say goodbye to him, no? Okay, so what is this? These are the name of the strings. Take first letter of every word. Ekagra, ate dynamite. Ekagra, take E. Come on, Manoj, can you say all the first letters of the sentence? Ekagra, ate dynamite. Goodbye Ekagra. Say the first letters of every word.
E, E, D,
EAD.
oh, E, A, D,
G. Goodbye Ekagra.
oh, wait, can you say it again?
Goodbye Ekagra.
G B E.
Very good. Prish, please, can you please repeat? Ekagra ate dynamite.
Okay. Ekagra ate dynamite.
Goodbye, Ekagra.
Goodbye, Ekagra.
So these are the name of the strings. So it starts from the sixth string. This is Ekagra. This is 8. This is dynamite. Then this is G. Then B and again E. First and sixth string has same name, which is E. Then E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, Manoj.
Okay.
Can you please tell me where is G string?
Wait. Ekagra E dynamite. Good. Okay, so it's the fourth string
See,
from
I
top.
told you, you guessed the right string, but the counting is wrong. Counting starts from the bottommost string. This is 1.
Oh, so it's the third one.
Third one, right. Krish, can you please tell me where is E string?
Okay. Each string is on 6 and also on the 1.
Amazing. 6. 6 is here, beta. 6 is here, 1 is here. 6 on the topmost, 1 is the bottommost. Okay? Very good. Can you please tell me where is D string, Manoj?
Ekagra E then so fourth from bottom.
Amazing. Krish, can you please tell me where is uh, A string?
Each string over here and over here.
I said A, not E.
Each string over here.
No, A is here. Fifth string. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fifth string is A string. Okay? So that's it. Now, do this exercise. Sixth string down. 5 string up. Fourth string down. Third string up. Then second string down, first string up. That's called the most important exercise that we are doing today. It's called alternate picking exercise. What we call it? Alternate
Alternate
picking.
picking exercise.
Yeah. So where we do alternate picking? Yeah. 6 down, 5 up. 4 down, 3 up. 2 down, 1 up. Come on, please do this.
Okay.
Now come back again. Now start down, up, down, up, down, up. First down, second up. Okay, do this for 5 times.
Okay, I did it
That's
5
fine.
times.
Now, this let me tell you little bit about the guitar also. Okay? These are the tuning knobs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? This is the first string, so tuning knob is here. This is the second string, tuning knob is here. This is the third string, tuning knob is here. Prish, are you understanding right? Yeah, these are the tuning knobs. What we do, we use these knobs to tune the guitar. It's very important to be in tune, otherwise music is not there. Okay, there is a standard tuning, I will tell you about it later. Second, this is the bridge. Prish, Manoj, this is the bridge. These are the knobs that are that holding the strings. This is the sound hole because the sound is coming from this sound hole. Okay, it's amplifying the entire guitar's sound. That's called pick guard. We call it pick guard. In classical guitars, they don't do because mostly it's made like where like player play with the fingers only in the classical guitar. Okay, here it's an acoustic guitar. So what happens when we pick? So it get hit by the pick here. So some scratches come over there. That's why they keep pick guard. In my guitar, there is equalizer. It's a semi electric guitar. I can connect this guitar with the amplifier. Your Do you have that equalizer, Manoj, in your guitar?
No.
Yeah, it's a classical guitar, so they don't keep it there. Okay, so it's a semi electric guitar. Every guitar is good, but it's depend what kind of sound and what the requirement you have. Okay, then I have this guitar strap. If we stand and we have to perform guitar, this help us. Six strings are there. Okay, in guitar six strings we have, and I already told you the names of the string. What are the names, Manoj? Please tell me.
E A D G B E.
Yes, you tell me, Prish, what are the names of the strings?
E A um,
D,
A
dynamite, E A D, G
G
B E.
B E.
Very good. Now, just see carefully. Can you see this metal strip on your guitars? Yeah, that's called fretboard. Okay, this is a fretboard, and these are the frets. This is the first fret, this is second fret, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12. You getting my point? In some guitars, they put these inlays to identify and for the frets. This is on the third fret. You can see the round dot here, no? This is third fret, fifth, seventh, ninth, and 12th. Okay, getting my point? So, coming to our left hand, okay, let's do the left hand exercises now. This called three finger exercise. We call it three finger exercise, where we use index finger, middle finger, and ring finger. Okay, we'll be playing using only first string for this exercise right now. Okay, just bring your tiny finger here and plectrum on the first string. We'll do only down, down, down picking right now. Okay. See,
Okay.
now you have to keep your thumb. Beta, I am not able to see your left hand. Please hold your guitar, beta, and try to do. You can do the left hand exercise. Come on. And with the for the right hand, you can do just with your thumb down, 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 down like this. No, hold guitar like this. You bring your muscles here on the guitar, not like this. Observe, see carefully. Yeah, you're a good observer, right? See carefully and try to do like this. Okay, so three finger exercise. One, first you will do down and you will hold, you will keep your first finger on the first fret. Manoj, first finger on the first fret. Krish, first finger on the first fret of first string. Very good, very good. One, then two, then three. Getting, Manoj? 1 down, 2 and 3. Where is your thumb here? See my thumb. My thumb is here on the top of the fretboard, or you can also keep behind the fretboard on the center of the fretboard. Okay. So the exercise would go like this: 1, 2, 3. Stop. Then you will consider second fret as the first fret. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And you will keep moving. 1, 2, 3. You'll keep moving. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Till the 12th fret. Okay?
Okay.
You please try this exercise. I'm watching both of you.
Okay.
Rish, please do this. What you are doing? Rish?
Yes.
uh, Please, beta, what I've told you, please do that, no?
So I am keeping this ring and this ring and this ring and this ring.
See, the first finger, but first you have to sit properly. You have not sitting properly. Sit properly. पलाटी आप मारकर बैठ सकते हो properly. कोई problem नहीं है. हाँ, that's fine. Any trouble, Manoj?
When I do it, it doesn't sound like yours.
Wait. Listen carefully again. Listen carefully again. See the exercise. Play first 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Done? Do it with me. 1 is here, beta. Near the tuning knob. 1. Manoj, please do this.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, then 2, then 3. You can move your finger. 1, it's done because it won't be playing. 1, then move. 2, then 3. Okay, now consider the second fret as the first fret. 1, then 2, then
Teacher,
3. Yes, Marish.
teacher, I just have 4 holes and there are 12 in the guitar.
Beta, I don't think this is the guitar. Can you please show? I don't know whether this guitar is made for. It's a tiny guitar, beta. So you can play till the eighth fret only. You can play till eighth fret only. That's fine. Don't go till 12th fret. You can play till eighth fret. You have 8 frets, right?
So, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. I just have 6 frets. 6.
You play till 6th fret then. Okay, let's continue the exercise. 1, 2, 3. Then start on the second fret. 1, 2, 3. Then consider third fret as the first fret. 1, 2, 3. Keep moving. Just add, increase. Yeah, it should be in a progressive manner. Yeah, it will happen. Sometimes your hand will touch the another string, so gradually the entire process will be soothing, right?
One, two, three, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Mine has more than 12.
Yeah, even I do have more than 12, but no, what we'll use, can you please count till 12? Where is 12th fret?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here.
Yeah, fine. You do this exercise again. Where were you? Till when you played?
So, like, how do you
I do it.
12th one or not?
My fingers
Sorry,
are.
How do you tell if it's the 12th one or not?
I cannot understand you. Can you please
So, like, you know
repeat?
how there's different sections? How do you know if you've reached the 12th section or not?
See, um, these inlays help you to understand one thing, and second, once you would play it regularly, so you will be able to understand it very quickly. Where are you and which fret you are on? Okay, you just do this exercise again,
Okay.
and gradually will you understand everything.
Okay.
Prish, as you don't have plectrum today, you please observe what's happening. Okay.
Okay.
Manoj, please keep your tiny finger on the guitar body.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Very good. See Prish, he's moving gradually on every fretboard, on every fret, right?
Okay, I think that's all 12.
Yeah. So stop and go back and do the same exercise on the second string. Okay. Now you will be holding on this. You will play on the second string, right hand. It will like this: 1, 2, 3. On the second string, na Manoj? You both can see what I am doing. I am doing three finger exercise on all the strings.
Okay, I did the full second one. Only
Second is done.
second one.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Second is
I
done,
did the
right?
second one.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you need to do? This. No, beta. Don't play with this. Don't play with this. You just observe right now and make sure next time you have pick. Okay, Prish? Listen, two homeworks you have right now. One is right hand exercise and second is left hand exercise. Left hand three finger exercise, right hand down a finger exercise. Okay, I will share the uh, written thing on the group. Okay, I'm just making sure to play. You just need to play one small tune on the guitar. You just need to play one small tune on the guitar. Okay, hold your guitar. One small tune you will be learning today. Manoj, if I say 0 0, if I say 0, if I say 1, suppose if I say first string, first fret, what you will play? Show me your left hand entirely. I am not able to see. But I am not able to see your guitar fretboard. Yeah, yeah, very good. This is the first string, first fret. Amazing. If I tell you to play first string, fifth fret,
First string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
you can move your index finger directly. Okay, right now. You just move your index finger on every fret. I tell you. Okay, very good. Okay, if I tell you to play first string, zero fret, what you will play? Open string.
I'll just
Okay, you, yeah,
touch.
very good. You won't touch any fret with your finger. Okay, I am giving you notes. Play 0 0, play 0 0 first string two times. As I told you 2 0, then you have to play it two times. Okay, 0 0. Now the first line is 0 0 2, 0 0 2. Then again 0 0 2 0, 0 0 2 0. The entire line is 0 0 2 0 5 4, 0 0 2 0 5 4.
0, 0, 2.
0 5 4. Be careful with your right hand. 0 0 2 0 5 4. Play it again.
One, two, three.
5 4. Right hand थोड़ा mistake हो रहा है, right? Be careful with your right hand again. Very good. Play it again. 0 0 2 0 5 4. Okay, the second line. 0 0 2 0, same. Till here it's same. 0 0 2 0 7 5.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Two lines
0,
together again, na?
5,
0 0 2 0 5 4. Come on. First line.
Okay. One, two, three, four, five.
This is 6 beta. This is 6. 5 is, yeah, before that 5. This is 5. 5 4. Second line. 0 0 2 0 7 5.
I'm playing the wrong.
Don't worry about it, okay? It's just a first day, so this will happen. So it's fine. I will give you the notations. I will send it to you. It's very easy, okay? So Manoj, Two
I
things.
think I can.
What?
Okay.
This was happy birthday
Can
actually.
try one more.
Yeah, this was happy birthday. One more time we can do
Try.
002054.
Okay.
The second line
Okay.
002075. Actually right hand का coordination थोड़ा सा problem आ रहा है, right? 5. This is 4, Manoj. This is 4.
Okay. You can just give this to me.
Sorry.
You can just wait. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yeah.
You can just give this to me as homework and then I'll practice.
Yeah. I will record a video. I will send the notations of this, and you will practice. But three things you have to practice. One, right hand, all this picking thing. Left hand, three finger exercise, and happy birthday notation. I will send you. Okay. And Prish, please make sure next time you have your guitar pick. Okay. All right. So I think we can wind up today's session. So, Dev sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you so much, uh, both of you, Manoj and Prish. Okay, this is a recorded session. What does that means? That means later today or maybe tomorrow, you will see this entire session's recorded copy. It's like watching a YouTube video. So you can fast forward, you can rewind, and you can go to that particular topic and you can again replay. So Manoj, wherever you are looking to do homework, you will get a YouTube link of this session, and all you got to do is basically revise it. Will you do that for me, sir? So that it will help you, whatever exercise he has given, it will be part of that recording. Okay. So you as well as Prish, both of you will get a copy. It will be posted. We have created a WhatsApp group for guitar class. Both of your parents, they are aware and they will get the link. Make sure you remind your parents. Okay, later today, maximum tomorrow, I will upload the link. Okay, both
Okay.
of you. That's pretty much summarizes today's session. Thank you, all of you, for your time. And I will upload the recording and I'll share the link. Thank you, Mukesh.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.